It also feels definitely very grippy with, once again, these textured sides and rear pieces right here. Look at this. I can just shake it in my hand. Hey Warenoticers, Shane here, and welcome to another video on the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel. If you're new here, definitely take a moment to consider subscribing so you don't miss out on all my other awesome technology videos about things like smartphones, smartwatches, cases, computers, tablets, tech accessories, and really just so much more. But anyway, folks, in this video, we're going to be unboxing this guy right here. This is the OtterBox Commuter case for the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. So before I start getting this guy out of the box, I do have to give a huge thank you to OtterBox for sending this case to me for free in order to make this video about it. So thank you very much, OtterBox. And anyway, without further ado, let's start getting this case out of the box. Here we go. So folks, here we are up close and personal with this box. As you can see, it says OtterBox Commuter. We've got a big cutout where you can see and touch the case itself. Over here it says 3 times drop tested by military standard, dual layer protection, and made with more than 35% recycled plastic. And of course it is for the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Over here in the back, wireless charging compatible, pocket friendly design, secure grip, and port protection. So let's just open up this box and see what this case is all about. So we can just go right ahead and pull the case out of the box. Here we go. And here it is, nice and easy. We also got some paperwork in there as well. But anyway, let's put the box to the side and actually put this case on to my S22 Ultra right here. So we can just pop it right in, and here we go. Voila, nice and easy, all on my phone. And I'm noticing these sides right here. They're nice and very flexible. Over here on the back, we've got an OtterBox logo. We've got these sort of like bumper things right here. They've got a texture to them, a rough sort of, you can tell, a grippy texture right there because of those lines. Then over here on this side, we have those textured lines as well as the power button and the volume buttons right here. Over on the bottom, we've got that port protection for the USB-C port. And we've also, you'll notice right here, got a cutout for the microphone, I believe, right next to the USB-C port. Over here, we got cutout for the speaker grill, and last but not least, a cutout for the S Pen. We can go ahead and grab that. Yes, you can still get your S Pen with this case. We can push it back in, and over on the front, let's see, we've got raised lips right here and right here. So in theory, if you put your phone down on a flat surface like a table, the screen should not be touching it, which is definitely good. And also, I forgot to mention, but obviously we got this big rear camera cutout right here on the back of the case for all of the cameras. There's so many cameras on the S22 Ultra. Now, I'm definitely noticing that this feels like a protective case on the back and sides because it's definitely got a bit of thickness. I wouldn't say it's a thick case, but it's definitely not one of the slimmer cases that I've seen for this phone. But it also feels definitely very grippy with, once again, these textured sides and rear pieces right here. Look at this. I can just shake it in my hand. So that is very nice right there. Anyway, let's test out the wireless charging on this case. Does it work? I bet it will. Let's see. Yes, it does. Nice and easy. So that's great. You can still wirelessly charge your Samsung through this case. But I mean, anyway, folks, with that, there's not really much more to say about the OtterBox Commuter case for the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra right here. So if you want it for yourself, it'll set you back about $45. So it is on the more inexpensive side. And it does also come in other colors in addition to the sort of pinkish purplish color. This is called Maven Way. It also comes in blue and black. I would probably get one of those colors if I bought this for myself. But yeah, definitely let me know down in the comments what you guys think of this case. Do you have it for yourselves? Do you love it? Do you hate it? Definitely let me know because I do read all the comments, by the way. And if you guys are in the market for your very own case for the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, definitely be sure to check out my playlist of all the different cases that I've unboxed for this phone. I'll have a link to that down in the description of this video, so be sure to check that out. And if you enjoyed this video, definitely be sure to also smash that subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. Bye.